Hi guys, Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Smelly Jelly Crystal Kit. Let's whip it up! Okay, so before we start making our smelly jellies, let's take a look at what you're going to get with this kit. So first you're going to get 6 of the smelly jelly jars along with 6 lids and 6 fitments to cover the daisy cutout of the lids. In addition, you're going to get an entire pound of the smelly jelly crystals. Now a pound of smelly jelly crystals is going to give you enough to do 60 of the 12-ounce jars. So you'll have plenty extra for your next batch of Smelly Jelly Crystal air fresheners. In addition, we're going to give you 4 fragrance oils. The fragrance oils can vary. So in this case, we have cinnamon buns, and we have French market, and then we have strawberry preserves, and we have floral bouquet. Next, you're also going to get a Da Bomb soap dye in both red, and then you'll also get one in blue. All right, and then a few other things that you will need as well. You're going to need some measuring cups, measuring spoon, a mixing spoon, and some unscented liquid soap, along with some distilled water. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is to each jar, you're going to want to add 10 ounces of water. So we're going to go ahead and do that to each of our jars. Okay, so now that we've added our water, we're going to go ahead and add just a couple drops of the unscented liquid soap to each of the jars. And this is going to help the fragrance oil adhere to the crystals. And now we're going to go ahead and add our color. As I said, you're going to get a blue and a red. So the really great thing about the colors is you can go as light, a little bit lighter or darker, so you can kind of mix it up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and do maybe one pink, one red, some purple, blue in various shades. But you can add, you just really need a few drops, but you can add less, you can add a little more if you'd like. It's really your choice. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and add fragrance. So we'll add to each jar about a tablespoon and a half of fragrance oil, and then we'll stir everything together. So we're going to start with our cinnamon buns. All right, and finally we're going to add 2 teaspoons of the Smelly Jelly Crystals. So Smelly Jelly Crystals are they're simply polymer crystals, and they will absorb 400 times their weight in water. So they're really going to expand quite a bit, and they'll basically fill the jar. And once they have expanded to their maximum capacity, we will put a lid on them and a fitment to prevent them from spilling or anything. So let's go ahead and add our Smelly Jelly Crystals. As I said, 2 teaspoons to each jar. And now we're just going to give each one a little stir. And it's going to take about 15 minutes for them to fully absorb the water, and then we'll place lids on them. All right, and now we just wait. All right, that was pretty cool, right? All right, so all that's left to do is to put lids on each of them, and we'll use one of these fitments to cover each of the jars, and that's just going to prevent them from spilling out. All right, and there you have it. So Smelly Jelly air fresheners are really great for small rooms like bathrooms and such. They're going to last you a few weeks, about 3 to 4 weeks, and then you'll need to make new ones. But it's really easy to make, so make sure you head over to our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com, get the kit, and then come back and make some Smelly Jelly air fresheners with me. And until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.